Page 280, this is number 2 at the bottom of the page. We get to harmonize again. This time, instead of the numbers, chord numbers, they give us the chord names. So it's not so important to know what key you're in or whatever. You're just going to play those chords. However, if you want to play the melody, you got to know what key you're in pretty much, so you know which flats are involved. So 5 flats is D major, so the relative minor to that is B minor. So we're doing all 5 of the flats, although if we get A's, we'll probably use A naturals. Okay, so melody and 3/4/3 time. Now that's interesting. In the 3rd measure and the next to the last measure, you get naturals here rather than. And that's the 6th and 7th steps of the key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're the 6th and 7th step of the scale. You do in the next, the 3rd of the last measure, you do, because you're not going all the way up here. But now you do. So we're doing the naturals going up. Now the chords. Let's see if we can figure this mess out. We have a B flat minor chord, because that's B flat major, that's minor. And then we have a B flat minor chord, but they want D flat on the bottom, so it's first inversion. I can do that. And then they want an F chord, F major chord, with C on the bottom here. And then they want an F major chord with an A on the bottom, so here. I just changed hand position here. And then B minor again, and then an E minor chord here with a B flat on the bottom. Is that. And then an F7 chord is here, or here somewhere, but they want the A on the bottom here, so it's here. I don't need all these notes. It depends on what the melody is using. I'll try and use some of them. And then B flat minor. So the chords. So we're kind of sticking around in the same place, sort of. We're here. F with A on the bottom. Yeah. And then try it with the melody to see if it works. B flat on the bottom, and then here. Yeah, that seemed to work okay. You don't have to play block chords. Play something else. I don't. You have no idea. You play different patterns. Try different patterns out. Use your imagination, your creativity, and all that junk, and see what else you can do with this.